The red door is the same, but when I get to the factory, wow, this is state of the art.
Architecture, design, industrial products, they all come from someplace. And they come from people, but they really come from a place.
In this place, you're not just going to see 100 years of buildings. You're going to see the most state-of-the-art factory you've ever had a view into. We're in the observation room overlooking the engine factory. This is a space for people to get a real inside view of how the bikes are built. It's also a place for tours where you can learn about the motorcycles and the technology. These assembly lines are brand new and they're state-of-the-art in terms of how the engines move, the ergonomics for the workers. The conveyor belt also has totally transformed operations here. So you're not loading and trucking things around from building to building. They seamlessly move around with automation. Right now we're standing between the museum and the final assembly space. And beyond, you'll see a pedestrian bridge for people that want to go on a tour and get a view into the final assembly space. Not only is the engine plant and all of the equipment in it brand new, but also the final assembly plant is completely new state-of-the-art technology. This isn't a place that you could give an easy name to. It's a factory, a living factory. It's a museum, it's a showroom. Believe it or not, we'll be ready for Guzzi Days in September of 2026 when we'll have the grand opening. The word I always use is magic.